So today we're making pearline candy in the microwave. You're going to need 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. So you get it all out. You want to get all the yummy goodness out. Then you're going to need a cup of brown sugar. You're going to need a half a stick of butter. And we're going to put the first time, you're going to put it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you take it out, stir it, put it back in again. So we're going to give it a good old stir. And then we're going to stick it back in the microwave for another 2 to 3 minutes again. It's going to start getting bubbly. We're going to do this for like 12 minutes each time. But you're doing it 2 increments. We took it out of the microwave again. Give it a good stir. And we're going to put it back in there for another 3 minutes. All together it's going to be 12 minutes. Give it another stir. Now you can see it's starting to get a little bit thicker. So we're going to put it back in the microwave again for another 2 minutes. Once you see it looking like this, keep going. It's going to get thicker. Now once you get to your 10-minute increments, you're going to add in your nuts, pecans or walnuts or whatever you want to put. Stir it in and put in a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir. Stir for 4 minutes until thickened. You want it to look like this, you guys. So you can scoop it onto your plate, onto your baking pan. Squeeze the baking pan and drop some on the pan. I got my baking sheet. Let's drop them on there. So now we're going to take spoonfuls like this and drop them on your sheet. I don't know if you can see. See, this is what they're going to look like. Allow to cool, but you guys see what they look like? You gotta let them cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes. There you have it, pearline candy. They're yummy. Look, you guys, pearline candy.